Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Books API key. If you're looking to integrate Zoho Books with other applications or automate your accounting workflows, you'll need this API key to authenticate and connect everything seamlessly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log into your Zoho account using your credentials. This gets you into your main Zoho Books dashboard where you'll manage your accounting data. Now here's where things get interesting. Open a new browser tab and type in api-console.zoho.eu in the address bar. This takes you to the Zoho Developer Console, which is a separate environment specifically designed for managing API integrations. You'll be asked to log in again with your credentials, as this is essentially entering developer mode, a more secure area where you can create and manage API access. Once you're in the developer console, look for the option that says Add Client and select server-based applications from the choices presented. Click on Create Now to begin setting up your API client. This is the foundation for generating your API key. You'll now be prompted to enter a client name and your homepage URL. The client name can be anything that helps you identify this integration, but the homepage URL is crucial. To get this, head back to your Zoho Books dashboard tab and look at your browser's address bar. Highlight and copy the entire URL you see there. Then switch back to the Developer Console tab and paste this URL into the homepage URL field. Next, you'll need to fill in the authorized redirect URL. Go back to your Zoho dashboard again, and this time only highlight the URL up to the domain name extension, which ends with .eu. Copy this shortened version and paste it into the authorized redirect field back in the Developer Console. Click Create to finalize your client setup. Now navigate to the Settings section within the Developer Console. Here you'll see options for different regions. Choose the OAuth option that matches your API keys region, then click the toggle switch to enable it. This activation is what allows your API key to start working. Once enabled, a Show Code button will appear. This is where your API key is stored. Click on Show Code and your API key will be displayed. Copy this key immediately and store it somewhere safe, as you'll need it to authenticate your applications with Zoho Books. From here, you can use this API key in your integrations, and you can always return to the Developer Console to regenerate or revoke keys if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.